guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, yesterday was a very chaos story because I can't believe what happened, guys. So I came home. I was speaking with my father. He was fixing the phone of my mommy's cousin's child, I think it is, and her battery, like her phone, the screen saver wasn't like because your little sister threw the phone broken. So now the screen wasn't working. So all my daddy had to do is take the battery out, switch it with the other battery, put it back in, and then put the cover on, and then the phone is fixed. But you know what happened, guys? As soon as my daddy took the battery out, the battery overheated. It set like the flame here. My daddy's nose, it went in my daddy's nostrils. My daddy couldn't breathe. He was panicking. But luckily, he ran to go grab the mop, cut the flame with wood, guys. I ran straight to the balcony. I got the extinguisher thing and I took the water pipe and I sprayed the thing on the fire. And then my cat, she ran in. She was scared, so I picked her up and she was meowing, meowing, meowing. So she's still like us, very baby kitten, guys. So she did meow, but I just picked her up and took her back to the back to her place. And when I took the fire extinguisher, that red thing that is always in the shops, and then I took that thing and I spit the fire to it with it. And then my daddy and my mommy was there, and then I shouted my little brother, my older brother, and my big sister to come stand there. And then yeah, guys. And then my little cat was scared, so I picked her up and I hold her up in my chest and put her in here. And then she was getting cold and stuff, guys. But yeah, I can't believe that happened. But I didn't take a video, otherwise I could show you guys that there is proof that does thing happen. But I don't want to get my mom mad. So bye bye.